All right, we here. So it looks like we finally took out that 387 level. Took a while, chopped around, and now 1 o'clock, 110 point ripper lower there at 1 o'clock. All right, let me get my Ninja. Do I already have it open? I think I closed the Ninja. Let's get Ninja open here. What up, Mr. Ponzi? What up? I gotta get logged into Ninja so we can set up our charts. Oh, guess I don't have my audio on my headset. There you go. Get this set up here. Connections, trade iffy. What's going on, Captain Price? How you doing? All right, I just got 4 Tradeify accounts. I don't know. I was thinking 10, and then I was like, I'm just going to go with 4. So we're going to do full send for FOMC. We're going to go full send there. Interesting pushback up there for the VWAP. Let's go. All right. So I need to figure out how I'm going to do this. Where's the trade copier at? Let me pull that up. Okay. So if I have 2 charts open, do I have to have... I'm not sure how to do this. Got 4. Notice you paid full price for one of them. Oof. It's not good, Dan. Not good. Bassett, how's it going? From 2 to close will be... yeah, probably. Probably going to be wild craziness. How do I open up? So can I have, anybody know, can you have 2 versions of the copier open? Not quite sure. I don't think we're going down. I think the bottom's in. I mean, this is just my humble opinion. We ran those equal lows down there at 387. My humble opinion is that we go up. But I don't know, though, actually. Let me look. Let's look. So we never made it to that new week opening gap. Let's see. Let's kind of look at the larger time frame. Get a couple of looks going here. Yeah, I guess actually... I mean, we did push back up into OTE there. Bounced kind of right off that 50% line pretty cleanly. I don't know. I do think from here it's kind of anything can happen. Do think anything can happen from here. We'll see. leaning to the upside. I'm thinking upside too, but I really don't know. It's hard to know. Really hard to know here. Okay, so I've got, do I have 2 charts open for Ninja? Or do I only have 1? Looks like I only have 1. So let's open a new one. How many ticks do I need also on Ninjas? Anybody know? Excuse me. Quantity 5. 30 stop loss. 30 take profit. Is that ticks or is that quantity 1? We don't even need a stop loss really, but whatever. Stop strategy none. Oh, that's ticks. We want, well, we need more ticks than 30. Then what do we need? 121. 121 with 5 contracts. What up, Max? Ticks are for Tourette's. You do points? Yeah, I'm doing ticks. We need 30 points with 5 contracts, so it's 121 ticks, if I'm not mistaken. So I have 01 there. Yeah, okay, 01, 02. So this will be 3. 3 and 4. I don't really know here. Trying to figure out how many ticks I do. I think what I'm going to do is we'll just long one and short one. And then we'll leave 2 to trade after. What up, Pollen? How do you claim the win? I don't know. 600 ticks. 6, no, woof. Now 30 points should only be 120 ticks. Divide by, multiply by 4, yeah. So we need to go 5 contracts. And then we need to edit this. Oh, I do need to do that over there. All right, I got to do this one first. Stop loss really irrelevant. Doesn't matter. 121 ticks. So that should be it. So let me see if I place in order. How do you place an order? Am I crazy? Oh, it's not on an account. Number 1. So then you would do like buy, stop limit 5 up here. And then you have to put it at 5 and you hit that, right? Okay. All right, just trying to figure this out here. Got a few minutes here until it happens. I think we're ripping, Trav. I think we're going up. That's my personal opinion. Personal opinion. So the question is, do we just buy, do we just enter long on one, short on the other, and kind of guarantee a pass in that way? Thinking about doing that. I just have this little DOM thing open for the other one. So we could just, I'm probably just gonna, I don't know, or I could bracket above and below and try to pass. Do we bracket above and below, or do we, what do we do? What up, Trader Monk? Do we bracket above and below, or do we simply just enter on the hedge there? I'm not sure. I'm sure I can make the Ninja Trader look a little better, but, you know, I don't really care. I don't care all that much about how it looks, to be honest. But we could try to... we can maybe change that. Let's see here. Price markers got to be white. What happens if you do that? Axis, these right here can be... Probably change those. Grid line. I don't know what these are actually. Kind of just blanket it up like that. Booyah. Get it a little cleaner looking. Left bracket above and below. Come out. We're doing this on Tradeify. So it's on Ninja. Well, if I bracket above and below, should I just copy? Let's just copy all four in a bracket above and below then. Let's do that. Where's the copy trader? Let me get the copy trader on. And we'll just bracket above and below. So 01 will be our lead, and then these will follow. Replicanto nodes. Do I turn that on or off? I don't think I have to turn anything off here. Where's working orders? Let me get to orders. All right, let me throw one on here, and let's just see. Okay, so that doesn't show me. How do I take that off? Oh, I guess I exited that out. I don't know if I can tell if this is actually working or not without maybe entering and exiting right quick. I don't know if it's working or not. I got just 4 Kamau. I just got 4, but the sale's through the 31st. What I might do, let's just see if we're gonna. We may have to exit, enter and exit here. It's gonna see if it actually copies across or not. We got 7 or 8 minutes. I mean, I'm expecting a pretty big move. 120 ticks is only 30 points. It's not, you know, so we don't need much. So I really can place these. I can place it well below the low and well above the high, and we'll see if it gets it or not. But I want to make sure it copies. So I kind of want to just enter a position here quickly and exit it. I don't really know which way to enter. Looks like I'm going to pick the wrong way, so. A little head and shoulder forming. Yeah, it could be. I don't know if that matters with news coming up, though. All right, I'm in here. I'm going to see if this thing will rip up right quick. God dang it. Frickin' can't move the stop. Here we go. Dang it. I'm over here losing money. I'm going to lose $400. All right, well, it's not copying anyway. Holy cow. That's what I was wondering, if the copier was working. Why is it not working? It's not working. Yeah, I should test on micros. Probably would have been better, huh? Better idea. Okay, so 01's the leader account. Are we on 01? We are. But it's not working. I don't know why. Let's see. Well, I don't know why I had it on 5 to do the test too. That was stupid. It's not copying. Yeah, Kelly, true. I don't know why it's not copying though. Is it because? Hold on. I think I see what it is. Okay. I see what it is. I have my quantity set at 0. That's going to be why. That should probably be why. All right, now let's try it. There we go. Now it worked. Okay, we're good. We may not pass that leader account. We're going to... Oh, I had it on 5 again. God dang it. We may need a little more on the leader account there to get past, unfortunately, but it is what it is. All right. Now, the only thing is with Ninja, can you place a buy above and below? I'm not sure. Can you? So I'm kind of thinking like, let's see. Buy stop limit there. We'll tinker around with these a little bit. And then kind of like a sell. I don't know if you can do it like this. So it won't let you bracket above and below. Will it not? Why can't you bracket above and below? Or can you only do it if you don't have a stop? Anybody know? That doesn't make any sense. So I can't enter. Is it not going to let me do it this way? I mean, we only got 2 minutes here to figure this out. Do I do it here and then... There's no other open orders, Mr. Ponzi. But it's not letting me have two... It's not allowing me to bracket. I don't think I can have an ATM strategy open. I think that's what it is. Let me see what this custom... Okay, let me make sure this is right. I don't know why. Edit. I don't think I can have a stop loss on there if I do that. Okay. It's not going to let me do it, I don't think. Okay, well, that's going to be interesting. We can't place one above and below. Yeah, I can't place one above and below. I don't know why. Use M and Q. I mean, I have to open another chart. I don't know if I have time. You have to turn off the ATM. And we only got 15 seconds. My bet is up, so I'm just going to leave it there. If it goes down, we'll just we'll try to mark it in. Might be late, but it'll be fine. Here we go. That is very kind of minor there. I tried to mark it in, it wouldn't let me. What is it doing? Am I in? I'm in, I guess, on the followers. I can't see it, but I'm in. This is kind of a disaster. Am I short or long? I can't even tell. I have no idea. The P&L's just... So I'm guessing that we need like the 380 to pass. This is going to be a fail. I don't know what happened there. All right, well, that was a disaster. That did not work out the way we anticipated it. I don't know. That was a disaster. I have no idea what happened there. It gave me an error. I don't know what in the heck happened there. No clue. I don't know what that was. Something's going on with that leader account. It won't even let me place an order. As soon as I enter it, it exits. And it's not, that account was not in the green at all, so I don't know why that is. Yeah, I don't know. That was strange. I mean, like, and I'm not at the daily loss limit on that. I don't know what's going on with it. Yeah, I don't think that's what it is. Oh, I guess that's what it is. That stupid ATM strategy. That was so weird. I don't know why it did that. All right, now it cost me the account. I don't know. That's weird. That was so weird. I don't know why it did that. I've never had that happen. Of course, I don't trade on here very much, but that was weird. That was very weird. Oh, well. Well, that was a fail. That needs to be white. I don't know why I put that on black, but we'll see there. Yeah, kind of annoyed by that. I mean, what was that news candle there? I mean, it's 60 points. That was like nothing. I know that the other one's sort of more volatile, I guess, at the minutes, but like I was expecting more than that. That was pretty tame, for sure. Pretty tame. Kind of annoyed there that I wasted a little bit of money there, but I mean, like, I don't know. Couldn't get in, so I don't quite. I guess we'll just call it a fail. We'll call it a fail for now. I do think we run back through these lows. I do think we run back through the lows there. But really no account to take it on. We could maybe try a quick scalp on Bulenox here, but maybe risk 5 points. In this volatility, probably get my face ripped off with a 5-point stop. But what can we go? We can go. We'll try it right here. Yeah, that's the only time I'm trying it. 5-point stop is going to be insane. Going to have to need it to be bigger than that. Yeah, I'm annoyed by that, though. Like, I don't know. Not that it would have won. Obviously, I had it up on the long. But it would have been, I don't know why that was messing with me. Doesn't make sense. Maxie doesn't like it either. Maybe we'll try it one more time. Maybe we'll try 9 touch. And we'll set up an order on the 9. And we'll see if we can't get it. Something like that. Oh my God. Instant wreckage. All right, I'm not trying it anymore. We're not trying it anymore. ES did kind of double bottom down there. Not trying it anymore. I might, maybe I'll jump onto the website there and see if we can't buy another one. That's annoying, though. I don't know what happened there. So annoying. Yeah, Tech T. Man, that was, I don't know. It is what it is, but. I kind of wanted to try to pass just to hedge them, but like, I don't know, even a hedge play wouldn't have worked there, really. Even the hedge play. Coupon applied successfully, but it doesn't show me the coupon price yet. There it is. All right, we're going to buy one more. Let's see if we can't find some spots to take trades on it. Kind of put in a higher low there. It's interesting. Well, that was a fail. Yeah, of course, CC. Of course. All right, how long does it take me to get this account? Fundeds are fine, Stock Tiger. We're green 954 after those 2 trades. On Bulenox. And I haven't taken any. Well, actually, I did take a trade on my funded accounts earlier, guys. Didn't work out, so we are down on those $200. So $200 on the Apex fundeds, unfortunately. Let me disconnect and reconnect here. Yay, we got the account. Yay! Let's get on it. Let's short. Let's see. No, I'm not gonna. Well, this month will be. My goal was 10K, but I'm gonna have 2 winning days, the last 2 days of the month to get there. So either we'll probably end up at $5,500 if we don't get the 2 winning days. But I'm not mad about it or anything. I think it's fine. If we get the 2 winning days, we'll hit our goal of 10,000. We'll be right there at it. So it really just depends. Really just depends. Going to add into this as it kind of goes down here. Uh, 30 points. I actually wouldn't make it. I don't really want to full port it. I'm watching the ES here. It's almost at the low, so I do ultimately think it sweeps it. Bashar, I don't have anything bad to say about Apex, to be honest with you. I've never had a payout denied. I've never broken a rule. So I don't really have anything negative to say about it. So I like Apex, but each person has their own experience, right? And that's just kind of the thing there. We'll cover one right there, and then we'll put the stop in at break even here. Put the stop in at break even. Can't lose. See if this sweeps the low. ES already swept the low. Can we move it lower? Down to the 95s. Let's see. We'll lock some in as we go here. All right, that's fine. So up $700. Would that trade I took right now pass on an Apex PA? Sure. Yeah, it would pass. So now you got a sweep of the low there. So now I'm going to take a little riskier long push back up here. Stop at the low. Stop at the low here. We're going to see how far she can go. If it manipulates lower one more time, we just get stopped. Very aggressive here. Could push back down in that 360 level. If it's going to continue lower. Probably should have waited for the ES to... Did it run that low? All right, double bottomed. It double bottomed. 342 could be on deck for sure. Once we get up 5 points here, we'll move the stop into break even and we'll see how high it can go. So kind of that 23 area, 23, 24. We'll move the stop into break even. I hit the 5 points. I wasn't fast enough there. There we go. Stop to break even. Let's give it a chance to go. Kind of just wanted to go here because if it pulls back, it could manipulate lower one more time. And that's not really what we want. We want to just see it rip up here. Just a little turtle soup play here off the data low. It already worked. We just got in late. I mean, we should have been in at like 405 and already pushed up 30 points. But we got in late there. Come on, let's go. Rip it up. Press the like button. That's right, Bashar. For this degeneracy. Press the like button. Oh, come on. It's losing steam. Get up there. This news play really ran no liquidity. It really didn't run anything. Which means that maybe at 2:30 you get the most volatility for then. We'll see. So back above this wick here, we want to see a little expansion quickly into the 50 area. That's what we want to see. Will that happen? I don't know. Andy, because of Tradeify. That's why I'm on Ninja. Boom, boom, boom. Newswick low. Do we have a Newswick low down there somewhere that I don't know about? Fish slips. I mean, there could be. I want to see expansion into the 50 above this wick. I'll probably add into it if it does start to push, but it's rejecting the 35s right now. Stopped us out. That's all right. Those equal lows. Yeah, I guess they are equal lows down there. I didn't see that. Not equal on Ninja, but I do see them on the 30-second chart there. So maybe one more manipulation lower. That straight line, no. Yeah, I'm gonna take private trader loot for sure. So we need 23 more points if we go max lots. If we go max lots, kind of zoom back out here. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Probably is going to run this. We lose the 90, then I think we probably run into the 63. ES is down to the 42 already. Let me zoom out on the ES here. Yeah, ES already ran that low, actually. So ES already ran that low there. And Nasdaq did not. So I'll be careful here, because we don't necessarily have to take out the 66. All right, I'm going to try it here. Just a stop below the low here, and we'll take one off if we get it. It may just get stopped right away. That's all right if we do. Yeah, looks like it's going to be. Just thinking a nice bounce back above the whole number here would be nice. ES took that low out. Hit a key level there at the 42. Just thinking this is a decent area to bounce. I might be in a little too soon or late, depending upon which way you look at it. Max is in there going crazy. Certainly could manipulate lower one more time and take out the sell side. It might. Max is saying long. Uh-oh. Darn it. Neo, why did you tell me that before I went short? Why didn't you say something before I went short, Neo? Yes, is at that pivot point right there. If it gets back above the pivot, we get a nice little push here. Higher. Maxie, come on, man. All right, we're going to see what happens here at the 10, 15 area. You know how we do. See if we get a little boner. A little boner candle. We need a boner candle. All right, we're up about 5 points there. I'm going to go break even. Oh, come on. Take me out of one there. Come on. Oh, you dirty girl. All right, well, got us stuck out of one there. Up around 1,000. Let's see how this plays out. So I have a question about take profits. Since their Rhythmic doesn't use NinjaTrader 8, do they give a free version of Quantower to use? Yes. Yes, they do, Looped. How did we not get stopped there? Oof. Down to the tick. Didn't get stopped. Look at her go. Look at her go. Come on. I want to see it close above this gap here. And then we'll move our stop in to the higher. We'll move it up if it closes above the gap once it hits the internal. Once it hits this internal high here. So I'm going to watch that. I don't love that rejection though. So play it like an inverse. Day one, you had 560 in the green. Next day, unfortunately, 1,300 in the red. But the biggest loss for any trade in that day. Yeah, you're good, Bashar. No worries. That is no problem at all. Yeah, as long as no trade was bigger than that, you're good. Yeah, I run them both with no problem. Bashar, yeah, I mean, if it was, then they may deny your payout, and you just have to trade 8 more days to be successful at a payout there. That's all. It's not the end of the world. All right, let's see here. Want to see this close above this line, and then I want to see it breach the highs of this candle here. And if it breaches the high of that candle, I'm just going to go ahead and go, yeah, we're going to go ahead and move it up to there. So locking in 20 points, and then we want to see this thing go. If this wasn't an intraday trailing, I'd probably just leave this at break even. But since it is an intraday trailing account, you can't really do that, right? We are only 6 minutes away from FOMC too. So it would be nice if this thing would get on up here somewhere. And then I can move that take profit up, and we would see what would happen with FOMC here. We can move this up to like here. I don't even know what I need to pass, but it's unlikely that it doesn't stop us. 301 as well. Yeah. I mean, it could push. You never know. Rip it. Get up there. Never works for me. All right, up $1,421. Live prop firm in the house. So we really need like 16 points on a full port. If we decide to full port. The date, we're red prop. We're down $200 on our apexes, but we are up almost 1,000 on our Buley. And then we're trading some trading an eval right now from Tradeify. $35 eval. Kind of had like, I don't know, I wouldn't blame it on Ninja, but like, I don't know. It's just trying to full pour earlier. It didn't work out for me, but either way, I think I would have lost on those trades. I think. I don't know exactly. But the days are fine. Yeah, I mean, I still just need 2 trades to get to payout. So we got tomorrow and Friday. If we can get those 2 winning days, then we'll be back at payout. And that'll be that. So what do you think, guys? Do we run down into the 66? Do we do it? I don't even know how you draw on here. How do you draw? Well, I'm thinking maybe a whoop whoop. A whoop whoop. Yeah, they blue Bassett. Those blue. I was trying to copy trade them. It took the leader out of the position, and then the other one stayed in. So, I don't know. It's fine. Maybe we'll get one past here. I guess that's what happens when you try to full send, huh? Yeah, more news, yeah. We got 3 more minutes until the FOMC happens here. Put your crash helmets on, folks. What do you guys think? You think we're going down? I don't know. The fact that this measured, I mean, like, this was very mild. We could maybe try to turtle soup this 366 level. We could. You're long, 21,400. Let's go. Holding it through the news. Max is doing good live prop. He's over there barking, going crazy. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I keep clicking over here on this other screen, and when I click on it, it takes this down. What do we do here? We need like 16 points if we full port. I mean, I don't mind just going long and putting the stop down here, but that's too big of a stop, really. I'm going to wait and see what happens here. So, oh, Janet Yellen's gone. What happened to her, Mr. Ponzi? She just retire? When I got a trading account, I choose Ninja Trader. I don't think it gave me an option. Music. I just bought an account. It didn't give me an option for a platform. I think their login works on any of the platforms. But I'm sure you... This is... Are we talking about Tradeify? What are we talking about, music? Because Tradeify only works on Tradeivate. So... Oh, she gave away everything. Oh. Triple equal highs. Where are they at? Some up here. Well, we'll see what we get here, guys. Put your bets in. We got less than a minute. Right at a minute here. I'm probably going to try to, like, if we pull back and then if we pull back and bottom, I'm going to long. We'll see what happens. But Tradeify, I just bought an account. I don't think it gave me an option to choose anything. I didn't see an option if it did. But yeah, I mean, it's fine if you want to select Ninja. Yeah, I just chose. Oh, wait, did it? Let me see. Hold on. I don't know if I got time to look. Let me see here. Hold on one second. All right, I don't know. We'll look at it in a moment. Here we go. Yeah, it didn't give me an option to choose anything. It just went to my payment. 3 seconds. There's the candle, or there's the 230. The presser. Really do anything yet. It's going to dump first and then push higher. Maybe Reza. It's always possible. Little double bottom at the 42s there on the ES. I do kind of want to jump in long here. All right, that's 30 ticks, not 30 points. God dang it. Oh, 30 points, not 30 ticks. I am so clumsy with Ninja. So clumsy. See if it goes for buy side up at 515. That should be enough to pass this account. We need 1,400 and we need like $1,500. So we'll see. 434. Oh, I see those. Those were not exact, but come on, boner it up. Give us the boner. Give us the boner. I got in late there, by the way, obviously. Starting to go. Once we see like 1,400 here, I think we can take it off. I think this would be more than 1,400. It's not a big deal, Neo. This is an eval, brother. See if it goes. It might want to... I don't love where my stop is. I could want to rebalance that gap. Do I just take my points here? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. All right, so we need $1,300 more dollars. It just rebalanced that gap. Let's get back in here. Big stop on this. Could blow the account here if this doesn't go. The stop is huge. We could just RIP the account right here. Might do it. This is a 40-point stop, so that's like $1,600. I'm going to get it into break even if we get back above 60 here. Just kind of watching that 60 level there for a little push. Just watching the 60 level. Want to get above there. We'll go break even. We don't want to give, you know, we'll give it the opportunity to go, but ultimately if it doesn't, it doesn't. So that's not a good sign. All right, I'm going to move the stop up to that swing. All right, stopped out. Yes, 1 day to pass, Barack. 1 day to pass. Only up $700 there now. Gave a little bit back there. Went a little heavier in that than maybe I should have, but that's okay. Failed to go, so let's see here. Let's give this a little bit. See if we can push back through that sell side now. I mean, it looked like it was going to go higher there, and now it's just looking like it's going to go lower. So you just play what it shows you. Play the hand you're dealt. Stop will go to break even at 390. Didn't even notice that we're at the whole number here. Got that death candle right there, so you think that this continues lower. There it is. Stop to break even. You're going to get these shenanigans at the whole number. That's why I don't like shorting into it. I didn't even notice that's where we were. If we lose this wick here, though, it's off to the races to the downside, but yeah, stopped out there. What can you do? You could reshort this here. I'm going to see how it reacts here. I might. Full port. Yeah, Neo, that's me too. It happens to everybody. Little double bottom there on the ES. Did we? No, we didn't make it. Well, I was wondering if we made a low. We actually did not. Maxie is barking like cray-cray over here. Oh, darn it. I did it again. What the heck? Did it again. I missed the entry. I wanted it long right there, 446. It already went up 40 points off that area. Maybe we scalp right here. Maxie's long. Yeah. He's something. That didn't work. I got to get this ATM adjusted. Let's do that. All right, only up 331 now. That's kind of annoying. I wanted to long, man. As soon as that closed right there, I wanted long, and I freaking hit the wrong chart. What? Why is it liquidation? How? Well, I guess they said that account's blown. That's the intraday trailing for you, I guess, huh? Should just full port. ES back to 6066 there. I think we just rip higher here. Feels to me like we're going, you know, we're headed up. So feels like we rip up. Unfortunately, I won't be in it. What up, Stock Tiger? There's the VWAP. I think we're going to 606. Come on, stupid thing. ES is not above the VWAP yet. Do we risk some on the Buley account during this craziness? Maybe we do. I think we're going to 606. I'm going to try to look for a spot to get in. All right. I'm going to get in there. I'll take this. What do we got? Like $400 maybe? Well, shoot. All right. Back to where we were there on that Buley account. Back up $1,200. Let's go. I think we're going to 606, guys. The opening print that got left earlier looks like it's going to be a clean draw. 618 here. All right. Appreciate your prop firm. That was Ninja. This is Quantower. I was trying to buy another one and it would not let me. It's give me some stupid error. There was an error processing. Please check. I have no idea. Yeah, I think we're going to be clean all the way up to 606 here. Excuse me. That pullback bounce off the VWAP there. ES kind of got above it too. Nice quick push. We did run these. This was an error. Oh, we left equal. Oh, wow. Triple equal highs here, guys. Look at this over here on the left. 67. Okay. 66.75. Okay, never mind. It ran them. You know, old man eyes look like they were triple equal highs there. Old man eyes. I don't know what to tell you. All right, I'm about to full port this last one, and this will be the last try. Let's get it up here. Let's go 5. And let's get it on that account, and we're going to full port. Literally going to full port. Where's the VWAP? Can't see the VWAP on here, though. All right, we're full port. We need 15 points to pass. I think that's 15 anyway, don't we? No, we need 30. What is 30 points? 40 to 70. Looks like we're going to get killed. Yeah, we blew that one quick. We blew that one quick. All right, that's our last try. I'm not trying anymore. I got in. I didn't even know where the VWAP was. I see now that I got in way too high. We tried. Yeah, they have it on there. I just didn't put it. I don't have it set. I don't have any indicators on that chart. Man, do I take another stab on this account? 40 ticks. All right, we're going. Booyah! Let's go. Up $1,391 on that funded account now. We're killing it on this freaking Bulenox account today. Can't make more than $1,400 in a day. So, how to blow an account in 3 seconds exactly. Full port. Unix. If you click the little micro or the little mouse, not mouse, what is it? Magnifying glass up here in the top right. It's going to give you these options down here. You click VWAP and go to number 3. That's the one I use. I don't change anything on it. Now you do have to have a paid package with Quantower in order for it to have it on there. So you do have to have a paid package. Free Quantower doesn't give you the VWAP any longer. So up $1,391 on that funded account there. You have the paid one. Let's go. So we did blow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts, 5 eval. So we'll have to add the cost of those. I'm sorry, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. We'll have to add those expenses to our thing. I don't know. That didn't work out very well. I'm not trying that again. If I do it again, I'm going to just do it at open. Probably got a better chance, or either some sort of bigger news, CPI, something like that. Probably would have worked better. Not mad about it though. I mean, hell, we made a couple $100 more on the funded account. So I think 606 is in play here. I think this is where we're going. So I think any opportunity to get long is a good one. Target that 606. You're going to see a boner candle into the 606 here soon. So basically, we're locking in max payout here on Bulenox. That's $1,500 payout, 54.1. So locking in max payout there on Bulenox today. So even though we took the loss on the other accounts, we are locking in the max payout. And I can't remember if Bulenox introduced a flipping rule or not. So let me get in here and look at the rules. I would like to see some expansion here directly into it. Directly into the 606, that opening print. Let's see here. Consistency rule. We know about that. We're under the consistency rule. When a trader requests to withdraw a text form, nope. Traders who, nope. Master, nope. I think there's only the 40% consistency rule in the funded account. So technically, I think I could just flip to payout here. Let's make sure, though. Because if we can just flip the payout, we may do that. Here we go. Let's go. Yeah. I mean, I don't see any rules on here saying you can't flip. Yeah, it has standard. Yeah, exactly. Fish lips. Yeah, Ninja has more options than any other platform as far as like customization. It's a little bit clunky, a little bit feels outdated, but it's a very good platform. I like it. I like it. So, yeah, so technically we're on day 4 of our Bulenox account, and we're already at max payout here. So I could just link it in with my other accounts and just take the standard trade over the next 6 days. That's probably what I'll do. Or I could just flip for the next 6 days and then take a payout. Probably waiting for the waiting for the macro here. I think we sweep the overnight highs. I really do. We can mark these levels out. You already got it marked up there. So I think 606, 627, and then up above there, 697 are probably the draw. The draw. We've already swept the sell. We did sweep the sell side, right? Did we? Yeah, we did. I mean, not the actual sell side. The actual sell side's way down there, but I don't think we go there. I think we go up. Back to the VWAP. We are working our way below the 9, which is a little worrisome. Kind of want to see price hold above that 9 level there. It's just been riding it all the way up. There we go. I mean, look at these VWAP bounces. The first push through, 44 points. The first test, 38 points. The second test, 58 points. The third test, it's already up 35 points. This is it's crazy. Nice job, Kofer. You're doing way better than me. Doing way better than me there. I think it is too, Matt. But when we think that, you know, it could just dump. What was the decision? Did they raise rates? Did they stay unchanged? Anybody know? Did they make any changes there? Here's the fourth one. See what the fourth touch gives us. Already got 12 points on it. Burnt all evals. Probably should have read the intraday. Yeah, Dan, it's tough when you're trying to full send unchanged. Okay. Yeah, when you're trying to full send, it's so hard with the intraday trailing. It's a pain in the ass. Almost has to go right away. Like a VWAP play here would have got you past right away, you know, but I don't know. I wasn't as patient as I should have been. Me either, Clarity. You see, look, you see I'm struggling. Now, to be fair, though, I did want a long here at 46, and I clicked the wrong button, and Ninja pulled up. I mean, this would have been a pass. That would have passed my eval right away there. 40 points. Straight ripper up. Fib levels on fire. Yeah, I'm not really using them, but yeah, I could see. I mean, you can see this pullback here. It held, right? I was hoping that we'd have an SMT here. I would have been feeling a little more comfortable with the long, but we didn't. We're in the macro, so you want to see if this thing gets above here, you're probably going to see this thing take off. You're going to see a boner candle. Hold on, let me draw it for you. It'll be just like this. I know what you guys were thinking when you saw that shape, but that's a thumb. Oh. That's a thumb. I want to see expansion above this high. You don't want to see it fail right here. You don't want to see a failed pivot. You want to see this thing rip through the 78s. Hit the 78s and go. ES working its way back up to the 87, which I will say is a rejection area on the ES there. 87 is kind of your bull bear line. We rejected that earlier at open. So I would say be careful here. I'd still think this 06 or 08, 06 area gets taken out. But that could just be a turn down spot too. We'll see. Price action's kind of died off here. Volatility's kind of gone at this point. Volatility out the window. It definitely slowed down a lot. Waiting for power hour to make a move? I don't know. Maybe. Volatility took a break. It was out the door. It said we're done. Yeah, it did. It's just not nothing. It's not going on. Nothing's going on now. I feel like we're in London. We're in the London session. Full sending accounts never works for me, guys, unless it's at open. I don't know if you guys ever noticed that. Whenever I trade news and I try to full send CPI, PPI, whatever it is, it never works. I can full send it open, just kind of pick the direction it open. I don't even hedge. I just full send. And it works. Not every time, but at a high rate. I can never, I don't know. I never get it, the luck on my side when I'm trading the FOMC and stuff like that, but not mad about it. I think it's fine. Maybe we buy some more and we full send them at open tomorrow or something. I don't know. I hate going back and forth from Ninja to this to oh. True. Fish lips. I see your message in the chat. Explosion. All right, ES back to the VWAP here. This will see if it bounces. This looks like we might just lose the VWAP here. This is not looking good. We lose the VWAP here, we might see some dumpage. Has got to hold this area. Can't underestimate the effect of unfamiliar platform. Yeah, I mean, I'm not blaming the platform. It's my fault. So. It's my fault. Oh, my fault. My bad trading. All right, Clarity. Appreciate you. They grabbed 300 contracts of liquidity in that last candle. No. I don't see the contracts, Matt. I don't have that on there. This could be you could soup this area if you wanted, if you're very aggressive. You could long here for just a little sweep of this wick. Didn't displace below it. I think it's a reasonable long area. But aggressive. Stop here. Sometimes these plays work. Sometimes they don't. You're more used to Ninja, so as a result, you always suck when trading on Quantire. Yeah, I'm the other way around. Use the Dom. Okay, I got you. Yeah, I don't, but I can see how it could help. Look at that soup. Look at that turtle soup right there, just ripping, just paying. Zero drawdown. You stuck orange orders on Ninja yesterday while trading, could not close or move them. That is a Ninja issue, fish lips, but orange orders usually don't execute, right? Or am I wrong there? I thought orange orders were stuck. I didn't think they executed, but I could be wrong. I don't know. Again, I haven't traded Ninja in a long time to know, but what do we say here? A little turtle soup play, just 50 points, just casual 50-point push up. Volatility decided to return right there. Now this low is protected now until we make a new high. So you could just target here, because after we sweep this, it could just come back and take that back out. But I think the opening print is still the draw if we get there before 10 after. So it didn't stop you out. Oh, so it was your stop. I got you. I got you. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah. I would say message them again, but you already messaged them once. I mean, if they're not going to help you, they're not going to help you, you know? Doesn't hurt to ask, but still. Got to hold here. Really has to hold that 30 area to continue up. Maybe offering a little re-entry here. Creating a little range. Yeah, I've seen a couple of other people post about the orange orders as well. So it's kind of like sometimes on Quantower, I don't know if you've noticed when you move your stop, it won't, you don't hear the doo-doo-doo-doo, and then it stays like light blue or light red. And so it doesn't actually, it basically doesn't drop the order where you dropped it. So you have to pick it back up again and move it and then drop it again. So it happens on Quantower sometimes too, but at least you can fix it by moving it again. So 78 would be the target here on this turtle soup long. You really want to see expansion above that though if we're going to continue higher. Obviously, I probably would have already taken profit. I mean, 50 points up. Left equal highs. But, you know, maybe you're not as trigger happy as me. I mean, I would just keep my stop right here. Well, yeah, just right there. There's no point in, I mean, because if it pushes back below that, we're probably going lower. You would think it would hold here, but one never knows. Just got over the top of the hour. All right, well, I do think that's going to do it for me today, guys, on this. I'm not going to trade. I got a few things to do this afternoon, so if you haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to help support the channel, Tradeify is having a $35 any size advanced accounts through the end of the month. Bulenox 75% off. Apex is still 50% off. Tick Trader did introduce another 50K direct to funded account. I think it's around $300. I don't know if you guys saw that. They did introduce that. My Funded Futures 40% off the starter account if you're a new customer. I think that maybe ends today, or it might have ended last night. 20% if you're a current customer. That's pretty much it. I guess, you know, use the code MM. Link in the description for all the props that I'm using currently. And we'll be back tomorrow. Coper Tick Trader introduced a 50K direct to funded account. It's around $300. I can't really, let me see what the full details are on it. No, it's a 50K. It is a 50K direct to funded. So, looks interesting. I mean, I don't have one, but it looks interesting. So, but if you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me, and we'll be back tomorrow. Appreciate you guys watching.